Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you why a lawn tractor has been very difficult to start for a long time. The owner said he's had this issue with the machine since he bought it. And what I have here is an Ariens lawn tractor. It's got a Kohler engine. It's a Kohler Courage 19 horsepower. And here are the specs on this engine here. Like I said, it's very difficult to get going, but once it's started, it runs flawlessly. There are no issues that way. It's just strictly getting it started when it's cold. And the issue that's causing this is that the choke isn't closing fully when you put the choke on. So when you put the throttle lever right to the top, it's supposed to choke it. And I'll just take the air filter off and show you exactly what's going on here. And even though I've got the choke fully on, you can see the butterfly here is not shutting properly. It should be shut like this. So when you go to start it, if it's fully open, it's not choking it enough. And again, you can see the choke is fully on. The throttle lever is right at the top. Now, the good part about this is that it's extremely easy to repair. All you need is a 5/16 nut driver. And all you need to do is adjust the cable here by loosening this bolt and adjusting your cable either forward or backwards depending on the problem you're having. So in this case here, because the choke isn't shutting properly once it's on, I'm going to loosen the bolt, pull the cable back. It's going to make this lever here go forward this way and therefore closing the choke. So here I've got my 5/16 nut driver. I'm just going to loosen that. So I've pulled on the cable a bit. I'm going to retighten the bolt. So once it's at the top, the choke should be on fully. And you can see it works perfectly now. And here's the way this works. It goes all the way back. Pushes this to shut the choke butterfly on the carb. So it's that simple to fix that issue. If the choke goes on too quickly, then what you would do is loosen the bolt and push this forward. So now I'm just going to put everything back here on the carb. And that's all there is to doing this repair. I'm going to shut the hood, start it up, and let's put the choke on here. So that was a super easy fix, guys. Always remember, check how your choke is working on your carburetor. If you've got the same engine here, check the adjustment of the throttle cable, which is also part of the choke. And if your engine is different, it may be a similar setup. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And have yourselves a great day.